Today I'm showing you this very beautiful stone. It's called Vanadinite. This beautiful red, orange, sometimes yellow stone is found in Morocco. The vendor I purchased my stones from, he's very nice and is the only other person to touch these stones other than myself. So when you're buying crystals and stones and you're really into meditation and the metaphysical state of these stones, it's very important to keep in mind how many people have actually touched these stones. It has this awesome hexagonal shape. It's red, often orange, and yellow. This crystal's energy can align the chakras and bring higher energy into the physical body, helping to facilitate a deep inner peace. In the study of feng shui, you're going to place this stone in the money corner of the house, or you can keep a small piece of this in your purse to help keep you from spending money. So next we got this sped up version of me dropping the stone. Unfortunately, this does happen sometimes, but we're gotta just, pick it back up and move on. This is a fragile stone, but it's all good. We're just gonna tuck that back right in there and start again. Kind of tucking the wire in where there's a small gap in between the little crystals. And the reason why I'm wearing just one glove is so that I am really protecting the crystal from the oils of like the natural oils of our fingers and hands, because that can affect the stone sometimes. Here I'm kind of cradling the stone with my fingers and also the wire, figuring out the best way to wrap this stone. Here I'm tightening the bail, deciding which way it would fit best for the crystal. You kind of want to tuck it right on top of a nice corner. Kind of tightening the bail as I go. Going to make the wire around again just one more time. Now we're going to loop one whole loop through the bail. I came up with this technique a little over 2 years ago now. I've been wrapping for a total of 4 years. I'm sorry, 5 years. Started in early 2014. And I'm tucking that behind the bail so it's not visible. Smacking off the excess dust pretty much, if there was anything else that might have popped off while I was, while I'm holding the stone and going to work on it. Cut off that little excess there because we're going to tuck that nice and tight. I do this with every quote-unquote simple wrap that I do. It's like my signature look pretty much. It's very simple. Straightening out the bail. Now we're going to kind of reposition the bail and tighten everything up. On the next video, I'll definitely try and make sure my fingers are a little better placed to be able to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm going to make my little lightning bolt, which is very important because here is this is how I tighten the stone with my pliers. The pressure is super important to make sure, because you don't want to break any more of the stone. You know, you're pretty much done with the wrap. You don't want to break anything else. So you have to be super careful with exactly how much pressure. But again, that's okay if little pieces come off. We just want to keep the integrity of the piece. I love this stone. So pretty. In person, I mean, in the video, it can't compare. I'm going to show up some after shots of the finished product. Here we have our finished Vanadinite pendant. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and click subscribe or share the video with anybody who might have any questions. Please comment below. See you in the next video.